Hello traders. Today we want to discuss advanced technical analysis and Pitchfork Tool trading. Advanced technical analysis and Pitchfork Tool trading. We are a monthly chart of Silicon Motion Technology Corporation. The EPIC is SIMO, Sierra India Mike Oscar. And we want to talk about advanced technical analysis and Pitchfork Tool trading. Alright. First thing first, when we are talking about advanced technical analysis, the advanced technical analysis is about using the Elliott wave principle, the Fibonacci key levels, the Pitchfork tool, and the fractals. All right. So whenever you hear the word advanced trading, we are talking about Elliott wave principle trading. We are talking about Fibonacci trading. We are talking about Pitchfork tool trading. And we are talking about fractal trading. Very, very important, all right? Because a lot of ordinary traders are using the technical indicators, but the advanced market participants are using the Elliott wave, Fibonacci, fractals, all right? And Pitchfork tool, all right? So on this chart, I have put on my chart Pitchfork tool. Connecting 3 points, the price went up from here to this point here, and then it pulled back here. With those 3 points, we can draw our Pitchfork tool. The Pitchfork tool is highlighting the possible path of this bullish trend. So the bullish trend usually will remain within the boundary of the Pitchfork tool or above the Pitchfork tool. All right. One more thing, when we are talking about advanced technical analysis, we are also talking about market geometry, all right? Very, very important. So now that we have the Pitchfork tool on our chart, we need to project, because the price went above it, we will quickly measure the width of the Pitchfork tool. As the price went above it, we project in the direction of the price, and then we draw a line to that point that is parallel to the Pitchfork tool. We'll also draw a medial line for that line. So as you can see, by projecting the width of the Pitchfork tool in the direction of the price, we have drawn the new channel here, and the price final resistance at the medial line of our projected channel right here. All right. I encourage traders to use market geometry, Fibonacci, Elliott wave, fractals, and the Pitchfork tool. One more thing that we can use when we are using advanced technical analysis, we can use the simple trend line. All right. So I want to draw your attention to a few things, so you may also start using the advanced technical analysis. All right. So I'm going to draw a trend line here connecting this high to this one here. Pay attention carefully. So as I'm connecting this high to this one here, you can see that, look. So what I've done, I'm connecting, this high to this one here. All right. So as the price D below, you see the price. So by connecting this point and this point, the price pulled back a bit. All right. And now look. As he went above to retest, he went above that bearish trend line. As the price was pulling back, he went above, he breaks above it. Look, he came back to retest it here. All right. So when we are using a Pitchfork tool, one of the mistakes that traders are making when they draw the Pitchfork tool, that's it. They don't want to combine the Pitchfork tool with a trend line. They don't want to combine Pitchfork tool with Fibonacci, and they don't want to combine Pitchfork tool with the Elliott wave. All right. So here, by drawing this trend line, you can see that as the price was pulling back, we will expect it to find support either on the edge or the Pitchfork Tool, or somewhere near the red line. Look at that. We have this hammer plus a bullish candlestick bar. This is a bullish candlestick pattern, okay, on the edge of this trend line. So from here you can see that the price went up a bit and then pulled back before going up again. And now this time, as we are using, so you can see, so you will draw a this trend line, and now you see you have identified. See, first time it breaks above that red trend line, retest it here, went up, and it pulled back again to retest that trend line, forming a double bottom chart pattern here on the edge of the red trend line. All right. So because we know that we have a bullish trend that is in place, that the price has a high chance to remain within the boundaries of the Pitchfork Tool. We have a bullish chart pattern, okay, inside a bullish Pitchfork Tool. You want to take advantage of that very fast. Bullish chart pattern that are formed within a rising Pitchfork Tool are high probability trading setup. Now let me say this again. Bullish chart pattern that are formed inside a rising Pitchfork Tool, okay, are high probability trading setup. Okay, I want you to pay attention now. You may say, John, so what is happening now? What can we do with this stock at this point in time? The stock is right here. The price now $42.04. One more time, we have our Pitchfork Tool on the chart. Okay, a rising Pitchfork Tool. Now let's draw another trend line. This time, what I'm doing, I'm connecting this high to this one here. All right. So whenever you are using a Pitchfork Tool, combine it with the trend line. So now I have a new trend line here, which I'm going to color now into pink. Now you see, so you can see that the price again, it breaks above the pink line. It's now trying to retest it. So we will be looking for, okay, bullish trading setup, either on the edge of the Pitchfork Tool or on the edge of the pink trend line. So something like here, like here, you see here. So price went a little bit below the red line and try to retest, all right, the edge of the Pitchfork Tool. So there is a high chance that we may have the same scenario here, when the price will go a little bit down below the pink line to retest the median line of the Pitchfork Tool. So at this point in time, we can, all right, expect Silicon Motion Technology Corporation stock to continue to go down a little bit to retest either the pink line or the median line of the Pitchfork Tool. All right. Another thing that I want you to see, because we are talking about advanced technical analysis and Pitchfork Tool trading, you can see that, pay attention carefully, my friend. The price, so first time the price went up from here to here. All right. All this is happening within the Pitchfork Tool. Now let's apply, okay. So price, we see it went above this high. So we see we will, as soon as the price went above this high, okay, which is also above the red trend line, we can also apply Fibonacci extensions. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are talking about advanced technical analysis. So here, let's apply Fibonacci extension for the price action from here to here. That's it. Look at this, what has happened here. Okay, look at this level. All right, the price after we apply the Fibonacci extension, look at this level, the critical 138.2% Fibonacci extension level. I'll color it now into orange. All right, so price breaks above the prior high. The next challenge for the bullish momentum, all right, is the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level. Look at this point here. So price breaks above this high, and then you gradually retest this, okay, the red trend line, and then as it went up, it couldn't go above the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level of this price action. So you can see that the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level is also quite close to the edge of the upper side of the Pitchfork tool. Look at that. So this is the upper side of the Pitchfork tool, and we are having here the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level. All right, here it is, and it's a resistance zone also on the edge. That's why you can see the price went a little bit above the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level, trying to retest the edge of the Pitchfork tool. And then from there, we have this doji here. Can you see this candy here? It's a doji, and then followed by a bearish move down to retest the lower part of the Pitchfork tool. All right. One more time, I'm going to remove my Fibonacci extension, and this time we're going to apply the Fibonacci extension. So we apply it already to this price action. So let's apply it again to this session here. All right. Price went up from here. Okay, went up from here to here. So we're going to apply Fibonacci extension to that price action. Look carefully, my friend. All right. Here it is. And look at this level. The price went to 161.8% Fibonacci. All right. Extension level. See the green line? That's the 161.8% Fibonacci extension level. That 161.8% Fibonacci extension level is also corresponding to the median line of our projected Pitchfork tool. So you remember we projected our Pitchfork tool. See here? It's the width. We project it up. And we see that there is intersection between the 161.8% and the median line of the Pitchfork tool. So, all right. So talking about advanced technical analysis, we want to use Fibonacci extension, Fibonacci retracement, Elliott wave, principle, fractal, Pitchfork tool, and market geometry all together. All right, you see here on the edge. So now what is likely to take place? The price has a high chance to pull back a bit. One more thing. Okay, hold on please. Let me remove my Fibonacci extension. Now this time what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply Fibonacci retracement to what? To the price action from here to this point here. Because the price start coming down, okay? It start coming down. What's the strategy? Talking about advanced technical analysis and Pitchfork tool. Now let's apply Fibonacci retracement to this price action from here to here. So which level should you watch? You should watch the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. Why? Because it's a psychological price level that is dividing, okay? It's dividing. I'm going to color it now in turquoise. You should watch the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. That's the turquoise line here. Is dividing this price action into two zones. The bullish zone above the turquoise line, which is the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, and the bearish zone below. So, as I was telling you now, that there is a high chance this stock will continue to go down, at least trying to retest the pink line and the median line of the original Pitchfork tool, so something like it coming down here, and then with a tail, talking about this monthly candle, all right, and then probably will find a support there and go up one more time. But remember that at this junction, as I was telling you now, that the price has a high chance to come down a bit more. What is going through the mind of professional traders? The bearish traders would like to sell below the $38.09. So at this junction, all I would say to traders is that priority bullish signal above the level of $38.09. and prior to bearish signal below that level. So if the price, you see here, it went below that 50% Fibonacci retracement level, and it tried to go up, if it found a resistance, my apology to trader, if it found a resistance break below and retest this 50% Fibonacci retracement level and found a resistance, we'll apply top down trading method to sell it down. Alright? Because of the 50% Fibonacci retracement level of this last price action from here to here. On the other hand, alright, so we are giving priority to bullish signal above $38.09, we're above $38.09, and we are giving to priority to bearish signal below that level. So, but on the other hand, if the price D below, okay, came down like this, retesting both the pink line and the median line of the Pitchfork Tool, if it went back above the 50% level and it found a support, that will constitute a bullish trading setup. Alright? If the financial instrument comes out of the Pitchfork Tool on this side, below it, we'll again use the width of our original Pitchfork Tool, if the price out of it on this side, and then we will project it down one more time, and then we will, okay, draw another line that is parallel to the Pitchfork Tool. What we are doing, we are projecting our Pitchfork Tool in the direction of the price, and we again will draw the media line as we did here. So with those lines, we are looking for trading setup around those lines here. All right. Okay. So you can see that all the decisions that the professionals are making, they are here. They are using the Pitchfork Tool, and they are also using Fibonacci. All right. This is advanced, okay, technical traders that are trading silicon motion technology. So remember, you want to use Fibonacci extension. So, all right, the price stop at 161.8% Fibonacci extension level of this price action. You see here, 161.8% Fibonacci extension of this price action is right here on the edge of our projected Pitchfork Tool. Professionals know that. All right, so the key Fibonacci level, and look at the candlestick bar here, and let you know that there is a resistance. So after the two candlesticks, the two inverted hammer here, these are indication to us that there is a indecision here, there is a resistance here, and the following month there was a bearish signal and it sold it down. So the next level that they are watching is $38.09. All right. So if you don't put the Pitchfork Tool on your chart, if you are now using Fibonacci retracement, as I did now, we are watching 50% Fibonacci retracement level as the price starts coming down, you see now. Or if you do not pay attention to what is happening, okay, you are likely to trade in the void. You don't know where you should enter the trade, where you should look for high probability trading setup. All right? So look at this. If you are not using also the trend line, you see here, this trend line. So you want to do this on a monthly chart before switching to your daily chart or hourly chart and so on. Okay, so look for trading setup on a monthly chart, especially if you are a swing trader. You want to start a swing trader should learn to apply the advanced technical analysis, applying Fibonacci retracement, okay, like a pro, applying Fibonacci extension like a pro, okay, applying area wave like a pro, using market geometry anytime, all right, applying using a Pitchfork Tool, all right, projecting okay, the Pitchfork Tool, which is a market geometry to determine the possible, okay, hotspot trading zone where the price is likely to change direction, so you may make excellent trade decisions, so you may identify the high probability trading setup. So this one here, this double bottom chart pattern inside the Pitchfork Tool on the edge of this red trend line, this was a high probability trading setup. Price breaks above it, retest the first time, went back above, retest it again. This key level here was the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level of this price action. It's all mapped out, okay? So you want to use Fibonacci extension, Fibonacci retracement, all right? Just know all those key levels where they are and connect them with the Pitchfork tool, all right? So the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level of this price action is happening on the edge of the Pitchfork tool, all right? The 161.8% Fibonacci extension level of this move here is happening on the edge of the median line of our projected Pitchfork tool. Now the price is now near the median line, is now near the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. Look at this one. We are now near the 50% Fibonacci retracement level of this price action. This price action. But look at that. The 50% Fibonacci retracement level is also near the edge of the median line of our Pitchfork tool. Now, I want to ask you a question. Will it be good to combine the Fibonacci extension, Fibonacci retracement, with the Pitchfork tool and the market geometry? I think it will be good. All right, it will be good. So combine the Pitchfork tool with Fibonacci extension, Fibonacci retracement. Combine the Pitchfork tool with market geometry. Combine the Pitchfork tool with key trend line. Look at that. Look at this pink one here. So all we did, we connect this high to this one here. So the price now on the edge of the peak line, all right, also near the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. Priority to bullish signal above $38.09 and priority to bearish signal below $38.09. Now, at this junction, we will prefer the price to come down a little bit to retest the median line of the Pitchfork tool, and before, if it's going to be bullish, to go back above the 50% level and find a support, and then we'll take it up. If it's stuck below the 50% level, which means it break below, retest, or it may break below the 50%, go back a little bit above it to retest the pink line on the edge like this, and then we use a top-down trading method to trade it down. As the price coming down, okay, we are watching the edge of the Pitchfork tool. If it goes below the Pitchfork tool, we use again market geometry. And again, as the price going down, we will again apply Fibonacci extension and Fibonacci retracement, and we'll connect those key levels in a down move if it's going down, and we'll connect them with the projection of the Pitchfork tool to determine, okay, the hotspot trading zone. All right. So talking about advanced technical analysis, we are talking about Fibonacci trading, we are talking about Elliott wave trading, we are talking about Pitchfork tool trading, we are talking about predictive fractal trading, we are talking about market geometry, and also simple trend line. Right? I hope you have learned something for this video also. I hope this has opened your eyes so you may know exactly how the professionals are using the advanced technical analysis and Pitchfork tool. If you have any question or suggestion, all right, put it in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. We are the TSTWSYS008 traders talking about advanced technical analysis and Pitchfork tool trading. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.